You guys are not going to believe what Binance just said about Terra Luna. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And if you haven't already, I recommend joining our free Discord with a second link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everybody, I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Welcome back to another video. We have some very interesting stuff to talk about with the crypto projects and, of course, more specifically, Terra Luna and Binance. What is going on there? Why are all of these things happening? Again, there's all types of things that we want to know about and, of course, learn more about. So without further ado, let's talk about this article. It provides a very interesting look saying how bad crypto projects should not be bailed out. This is directly from Binance founder CZ. Of course, very popular in the overall cryptocurrency space and somebody who has captured the attention of a large majority of people over the last couple of months that he has, not months, I should say years of the development of this project and, of course, anything related to that. But it seems he's making a direct statement here about Terra Luna and a host of other cryptocurrency projects as well. So let's get into this and what does he mean by this? So Binance founder CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao argues that bad crypto projects should be left to fail and not receiving bailouts from crypto firms with healthy cash reserves. In a Thursday blog post, CZ said that firms have been poorly operated, poorly managed, or have released poorly designed products. They shouldn't receive bailouts and should instead be left to crumble. Here's the exact quote. In short, they are just bad projects. They should not be saved. Sadly, some of these bad projects have a large number of users, often acquired through inflated incentives, creative marketing, or just pure Ponzi schemes, end quote. Further, in an industry where there are many and always more failed projects than successful ones, hopefully the failures are small and successes are large, but you get the idea. Bailouts here just don't make sense, and that is what he added. These comments are coming in recent moves by crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried and his firm Alameda Research to bail out companies and projects with recent liquidity troubles, such as Voyager Digital, with a revolving loan of 350 million USD and 15 million Bitcoin as well, which is worth over 464 million at the time of writing this. So what the Binance founder is essentially saying is projects like Luna, projects like Celsius, and a host of other cryptocurrency projects as well shouldn't be bailed out. Essentially, they shouldn't be saved. Why, you may ask, is because he's basically kind of making the statement, if you will, that these projects need to be able to stand on their own. And he's kind of saying that if the free market decides, or the overall market conditions decide, that these cryptocurrency firms, assets, or projects shouldn't exist anymore, then that's just nature taking its course. That's kind of essentially what he's saying here, and basically saying that these, big venture capital firms should stay out of trying to, bail water out of a sinking ship, which again, you can take that with a bunch of different grains of salt. This more specifically seems to have much more to do with Luna, right? We know Luna and, of course, Terra and the overall, governance and executives over at Terraform Labs have received tons of funding from different types of venture capital groups. And of course, we know that those venture capital groups might also be being investigated in and, of course, looked into as far as lawsuits are concerned. There's all kinds of stuff happening right now behind the scenes, guys, and it's a very crazy place to be. One of the things that I want to talk about, though, more specifically than this is, of course, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that, of course, Binance, the CEO and founder of Binance is right? Do you think that these venture capital firms should be throwing any money towards Terra Luna, or should Terra Luna be able to stand on its own? Terra Luna being a specific example. I'm not saying that this is the only firm that they're throwing money at. There's tons of other firms that are also getting money for these types of things. Now, keeping all of that in mind, again, stuff like this continues to happen and more controversy continues to roll in. So it's going to be very interesting to see what else happens with this and how this will affect the future of Terra Luna and the overall price as well. Speaking of the overall price, Luna is still pretty stagnant, but we can go take a look at LUNC, which is, of course, the community-driven token of Luna. As you can see, guys, and if you watch our videos, and this is one of the big reasons why you got to subscribe so you guys never miss new videos, and when we call out stuff like this, I looked at this and said, that this looks literally live on video like a bull flag pattern, which is typically a bullish type of breakout that can usually go towards the upside. So we drew the triangle right here. It was right about here when I drew that triangle, and I said if it breaks above this resistance line right here that I drew, we could see some upside potential here. What happened? Exactly that. Now keep in mind, it did of course break out towards the downside, back to earth literally just about a couple of moments or hours later, and now we're kind of right back where we started. But keeping that in mind, that was a live pattern that we looked at on this channel, guys, that I posted today, that I posted that video literally today. You guys aren't going to want to miss this kind of stuff when we're talking about it and dropping it, of course. That's why you got to hit the sub button. And if you guys want to actually get even better live up-to-date opinions and obviously plays on the stocks and cryptos that we're investing in daily, I recommend hitting this second link down in the description below and get signed up with our private Discord. And of course, if you guys want to pick up a free stock, with the first link down in the description below as well. Other than that though, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.